First thing we'll do is test the motor. I've got 2 nickel metal hydride batteries there, so they'll be the equivalent of those 2. So if we just go across the motor terminals, there and there, got all 4 wheels turning in the same direction, which is what I said. And then if we turn that round the other way, oh, that did go for a second, and it's jammed. Right, now we've got them turning in opposite directions. So these are turning anti-clockwise, those are turning clockwise. As we're looking at it. Get sunshine on it, so we've got a good view. So the motor's running. So the next thing will be, if I connect up the power wires, we'll see if we can get any response from any of our transmitters. Right, I've got a 27 megahertz transmitter handy. So connect up to there. No, we're not that lucky. Oh, because no, that didn't make any difference. We could just try going directly onto there. No, so we're not responding to 27. That's definitely the on position. All right, so not 27 megahertz, or at least not compatible with my 27 megahertz. I'll go and grab a couple of other transmitters that I've got that are different frequencies. I've tried it with 40 megahertz, which isn't on that list anyway. 45, this one's 45, and it's not responding to that. Let's try bypassing that switch again. Nah. So if we want to get this working, we're going to have to change out that receiver, because we're not going to get it working with that. While I was up there looking for transmitters, found this one. This was the CharG, TOMY CharG, on off, 27 megahertz I got written on this. I don't know if that means I've actually changed the receiver in there, or whether it actually is a 27 megahertz receiver, but I've also put an external battery lead on it. So we'll just put a little battery on there so we can see this one working. So temporary little battery sitting on top. Press forwards. That looks to me like they're going one way and one the other. Press backwards. Not quite sure. I'll find the link to the video where I did the work on this one, and I'll put it in the video description. I've just swapped the receiver for one that I know works. So, forwards and turn. Turns in reverse, goes forwards. External battery, which I'll tuck on the back, and we'll pop it back together. That should fit in there. With a bit of luck, and we'll give it a little run. Forwards, we do wheelies. Backwards, we turn. I'll class that as a success. So we have a working TOMY CharG or something, I think it's called. Well, the other one had it written on it, didn't it? CharG. Got a big G on it. Oh yeah, this one's the 4-wheel drive version. Yeah, not quite sure what that is there. Is that Chinese writing or something? Don't know. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.